Hey everyone, welcome to the ButterCup Club. My name is Uroosa Fatima, and recently I have picked up a new hobby, which is crochet. So instead of learning in my room, I decided to bring you along for the ride. So I have created this channel where I'll be sharing all of my projects that I make, and nothing here is going to be perfectly polished from day one, and I think that's what makes it fun. This is my learning stage, and my goal is to become professional in this craft, practicing until I create a perfect desired project. I have so many projects in my mind that I want to execute, but before making them I want to practice a lot, so by the time I will be experienced, and I want them to be perfectly made. And here's what I need from you guys. If you have been crocheting for years, drop your tips in the comment box. I will absolutely apply them in my projects, and I will appreciate each and every suggestions from you guys. Today I'm going to organize all of the yarns I have, so whenever I will start a new project, it would be very easy for me to pick a new yarn that I need for that particular project. So I have a bunch of different yarns available. Some of them are solid in color, and some of them are like this. This has a shimmer thread inside of this yarn, and I have 4 different colors in this one, and I have 4 different colors in this one, in the plain ones. Honestly, this black one is my favorite yarn from all of the other yarns that I have. As you can see, it has a multi-shade thread inside of this yarn. Just imagine you make a bag out of this yarn, or if you make a poncho, a mesh poncho, or maybe a top out of this yarn, and you're wearing it on a night party, or maybe a disco party, or just go out wearing that top, how it will look. This is so shimmery, and this is very beautiful. So I have a bunch of different colors available right now, and my next project will be a mesh bag. I have these handles available which I can use to make that bag, but what I want from you guys to suggest me a color so I can use that color on that bag. I have 6 different colors of big piles, so please suggest me the color from only those 6 piles, because these are the bigger ones, and I think these will be enough to make that bag. Other ones are not enough to make a whole bag, even though if I will make a mesh bag, but it will not be enough. I've already used the white one to make another bag, which I will be I will show you later. So this is the blue one, pink one, the green one, yeah, and the pink one is less, it will not be enough for that bag. And this is the maroon ones, green, this is the dark green one, and this is the red one. These are the shimmer thread yarn, and the other 3 are the solid color yarns. Thank you so much for being here for me today. In the next video, I will show you some of the projects that I already made, so don't forget to subscribe.